So tonight, as you see, I'm at Terror Trail. It's Florida's longest haunted trail. Here is media, so thank you for the invite out here. Before you head in, there's a little snack table. It's not really a merchandise table, but really well themed, so let's check that out. Got some treats.
Lots of treats.
Over here. Okay. Excuse me. Nice. And tonight, I am going to be doing the scare cam thing, so let's go check out the trail. And this is actually at the Humane Society, so that's why you hear some dogs barking in the background. And here we go, through Florida's longest haunted trail.
See, you've chosen fate.
Yes.
Best of luck. You're about to face your greatest nightmares.
Greatest night. Going back to high school?
Beware! Beware! The end is near! Death is upon you!
Scared to death. Ah! I look like I have a mist filter on my camera now.
Right there. Does it like sniff me or something? I don't know. That's not my issue. Go first.
Oh!
Oh, hello again, sir.
Yeah! Okay, must keep up with the necklace in front of me. Wow, this is a really long tunnel.
This is really cool.
Really long tunnel.
Because if you fall,
Are we going in circles? Wouldn't that be funny if they just like made it a loop? Oh, hello. Yeah!
sorry, I got scared.
Honestly, I wouldn't know.
Oh, wait, I think.
Zombies. White zombies, Rob zombie, who knows?
Zombie bite.
Ah! Dolls. That's a very big rat.
Good morning! Make yourself at home, mi casa su casa! Watch your step, I got a dog and she likes to bite!
shot.
Make sure before you take off running, you gotta take a shot. You might need it.
Walking.
Welcome to the maze. Hope you guys make it through. Good luck. You'll definitely need it.
So that is all the video I'm going to be putting in, because I did walk through from start to finish selfie style, and I pre-focused manually on my face to make sure that there weren't any background elements that were distracting, that would change the focus to that, and it would be all over the place. I've had that problem in the past, so before I do selfie style, I always manually focus. But right before I started the trail, I did one shot, which I didn't even need. I pointed it at the kennels, saying you might hear some barking in the background. That's because we are at an animal shelter. That's what the event is for, is a fundraiser. Completely didn't think about the fact that I changed the manual focus further away. Then I went through the trail thinking I still had the focus set to my face. I don't know, for some reason I didn't think about the fact that I had refocused the shot, and the entire walkthrough, as you saw little clips of it, was out of focus. Second time I walked through, luckily they allowed me to shoot forward as well, but I only shot a few things because I was planning to put the majority of the video was going to be the selfie camera. So hopefully you got a pretty good idea of what the trail looks like and what the elements look like. There's a lot of detail. That tunnel in the beginning just goes on forever. I was like, so I said, is this a loop? I don't know how they built something so big. There's a lot of set pieces throughout. The graveyard looks pretty cool, and it's a pretty good event. Unfortunately, it's just about finished with its run, because between going to events and working full time, I just haven't been able to stay on top of this editing. So I'm sorry about that, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, hunt season never ends.